So till now we have understood that accounting is a broader concept which involves many other steps other than those of bookkeeping. That only involves the 3 steps. It involves many other steps. So then let's just move to the next topic, which is accounting process. It has been made clear in the definition of accounting what is accounting process, but to understand the accounting process in a better way, we'll describe this in the form of chart. First is recording of financial. Again and again I'm repeating that only those transactions will be recorded in the books of accounts which are of financial nature or monetary terms or money related terms. Recording of the financial transactions, it is the first very step in the process of accounting. Now, how do you record those transactions in the books of account? It is through journal. What is journal? Journal is basically the book in which all the transactions will be recorded. So the next second step is classifying. What we have understood about classifying is that same nature transactions, that means the transactions which are of same nature will be recorded at certain place or under particular head. Classifying is basically to club those transactions which are of same nature and to record the same under one particular head. So how this will be done? This will be done with the help of ledger. What basically ledger is? Ledger is the books of accounts in which the transactions of same nature will be recorded for accounting. Now, after this, next step is summarizing of transaction. What we have understood about summarizing is that all those transactions which are recorded in the books of accounts will be provided in such a way or presented in such a way so that it is made understandable for the users of accounting. Who are the users of accounting? Basically internal and external. Internal users can be the users. External users can be your government, any other organization, or internal users will be your CEOs, your management, etc. So these are the users of accounting information. So you will be providing the accounting information in such a way so that it is simplified for the users of accounting. So what summarizing basically involves is making of P&L statement and balance sheet. What P&L statement shows is the profit or loss for the business, and what balance sheet shows, that shows the assets or the liabilities for the business. So till now we have discussed about the 3 steps, that is first recording of the financial transaction, then classifying the same, and then summarizing the accounting information. So the next step here is interpreting What basically interpreting is to make the judgments about the accounting information by the users of accounting information in such a way so that they can see whether it is profitable or not, which means that any information which is being summarized for the users of accounting will be interpreted by the same or analyzed by the same by the users of accounting for their own purpose. So the last one is communicating. Last step in the accounting process is communicating the accounting information. What communicating basically means? Communicating is giving the information to the users of accounting. So accounting process involves 5 steps. First one is recording of the financial transactions, which will be done through the journal book. Second one is classifying the same through the ledger book. Next one is summarizing of the transactions and interpreting the transactions for its profitability, and then communicating the results to the users of accounting. Now communicating is basically giving the results to the users of accounting in the form of balance sheet, P&L, etc. Now the next topic is branches of accounting. Now accounting is basically classified into 3 broader branches. First one is financial accounting. Second one is cost accounting. Third one is management accounting. It is divided into 3 broader categories. Now what basically financial accounting is? From the word, I think it is clear to you people that financial is basically monetary terms, money related terms. So this means that any accounting which is related to financial nature of transactions comes under financial accounting. Now what is financial nature of transactions? It is basically that branch of accounting which deals with balance sheet and profit and loss statement. That branch of accounting which is dealing with these 2 broader concepts will come under financial accounting. Balance sheet is already clear, the statement that shows the assets and the liabilities of the business, which means showing the liquidity for the business, and profit and loss is basically showing the profit or the loss for the firm, business, etc. So financial accounting is that branch of accounting which deals with the financial nature of the transactions which are being recorded in the books of accounts and is presented to the users of accounting through balance sheet and profit and loss. So financial accounting basically deals with financial nature transactions. Next one is cost accounting. Now the major drawback of financial accounting is that it only gives information about the profit and loss or the asset and liabilities of the business, but it do not provide any information regarding the cost of particular product, cost of particular accounting, or cost of particular item that is being purchased for the business. So this cost accounting helps in providing the information that is related to cost of particular item. For example, you purchased laptops for the business in large quantity. Whenever the laptop is being purchased by the business, that will be recorded in the books of accounts. But what details regarding the cost, like what amount of cost at which the same has been purchased, will be recorded under or comes under this part of accounting, which is cost accounting. So it only deals with the cost related items or the cost related products of the products. The last one is management accounting. Management accounting is the newer accounting. Newer accounting means that it has been came into the existence when you found out that there are certain users which use the accounting information through which they decide whether to invest in the business or not, whether the business is profitable or not. So management accounting is that part of accounting which helps in providing information to the users of accounting, which can be internal users or the external users. So this was all about the branches of the accounting.